Okay, we've had the sharp bounce, we've had a plunge, we've had a sharp bounce, we've had an overnight sell-off, and probably this 43 zone today will be an important area. Yesterday, this was the turning point. So today already, the washout has already taken those traders out. Don't forget there's a gap up at 50. So our theoretical support from yesterday back in at 37 to 39 is still intact. 47 is the middle. So anybody that's playing anything towards the gap, if you get to the 47 to 48, make sure you cover something right here. We had a great exit down there at the yesterday's angel. Today's 40. Anybody got the 47 to 48? Take profits. Use 50 for your stop for shorts. Scalping only. And usually we need to give it a couple of minutes on news, but this should be the natural resistance at this end right now. So fading that push, anybody that's playing the reaction trade, use 50 stop. Should already be in the money. And it's just a scalp. And today we're going to have some more cat and mouse. It's your 5-minute chart. It's a beauty. Anybody that played this, again, we're not thinking home runs, we're playing scalps, pre-market. If you were up early, you've already got a good day under your belt. I mean, you know, today I just got lucky, was up early, saw the sequence, saw this sequence. I've already had a great day. Great trade, anybody that's got this. Wonderful trade. And they said this 43 zone is going to be a natural pivot today. You've got to take something by 43.75 and then trail for a couple of minutes. Great resistance there. Got to know the sequence. That's a sequence trade, right? Scale out by that 43.75 or so, 44. Remember, this is a game of accumulate. Thank you, Peck. This is a game of accumulate. $15-minute chart we said is working, right? 15 we said is working. 30 is working. You know, most traders don't think you can be this accurate. You're not going to get them all right. Is that a lucky guess? I don't know. You tell me. We already know where this support was coming in, so we have an idea of where it wants to get to. So you don't have to guess on the news. You let it play out, and then you play the reaction trade. And today is going to be another game of cat and mouse. We said yesterday if you could try to get a trailer at all times, and once you get a plunge, expect a sharp bounce, but you also have to get a rebound. You have to come back and do some retesting. And the high odds trade is actually overnight to come back and retest this leg, yesterday's leg. So that's why this morning I made the call early, hey, Looks like we're, this was the decision point at the 43s right here. Yesterday, this was the low that held, right? I said at the time, this is an important low right here. Then the second important low we said, right, was at 46.5, that previous day's pivot, right? We said this would keep your eye over here on this guy. And you could see how that held and squeezed into the close, then overnight closes the gap. Beautiful re-entry, anybody that plays it. Still resistance. 58 we said was our stop back here, 57.75. Entry zone 56 to 54. If you're playing the gap, anybody gets the gap trade, they're going to want profits. And then today we come up with, hey, likely you got to get by me down here, right? 37.75 and the 39.25. So it's just common sense. And a day like today, you don't want to take anything home that's unless you're a position trader and figure it out by the end of the day, you want to get your work done early. The thrust right now is trying to come back and test the breakdown areas. So this guy is support till broken, obviously.